So, you're thinking of using a lock-and-load retaining wall for your next project. Here's a brief look at the basic installation procedure for this unique hand-placeable solution. Begin by laying out and roughly aligning the first row of lock-and-load cantilever units on a prepared foundation grade. Using a string line, set each unit in place with the panel backs plumb. The addition of this small wedge allows the panel and counterfort to be adjusted as a single unit. Panels can then be easily plumbed by tilting the counterfort and hand grading as needed. Once the units are aligned, backfill is added to the counterfort zone, leveled and compacted. Compaction begins over the tail of the counterfort and then moves towards the wall face and then back. If the final wall is less than 4 panels in height, once fully filled and compacted, the second row can be placed and positioned on a string line. Simply repeat this process to completion. For projects higher than 4 panels, place the first layer of GeoGrid on the 2/3 filled and compacted zone over the counterfort, with the strength axis perpendicular to and abutting the wall panel. Note, GeoGrid should be placed flat and free of wrinkles and is turned up and touches the panel back. This row is then backfilled and compacted to the panel top to prepare the base for the next row of lock-and-load cantilever units. The second row of lock-and-load units are aligned just behind and level with the top of the row below. Once alignment is set, the panel backs are easily plumbed by tipping the counterforts and grading as required. Place and compact the unit and reinforced zone fill as before. When complete, a third tier can be set. GeoGrid, wall batter, and drainage are all part of the engineered wall design. However, GeoGrid is typically placed at the panel midpoint on every other row of lock-and-load units, beginning at the second row from the wall top. Backfill, compaction, and lock-and-load cantilever unit placement proceeds row by row until the final wall height is reached and the wall construction is complete. For more information on the installation procedure, feel free to download our installation guide.